Today in crypto. Assemble Protocol's native token ASM is now listed on the Coinbase platform. The exchange announced in Bithumb Korea. Assemble Protocol is one of the few projects that has attempted to solve a pressing issue in the South Korean market. However, as of today, the Ethereum-domiciled project has recorded the most success with providing solutions to consumers. The protocol provides consumers an avenue to spend or cash out their mileage and loyalty points with no hassle. Consumers have complained of not being able to use these points due to it expiring. With Assemble Protocol, users are able to get their rewards without worrying about the points expiring. This has led to massive adoption of the technology, with over 750,000 registered users on its database using the technology. Using the innovative technology of the Ethereum blockchain, the project provides users with multiple avenues to spend their mileage and loyalty points. Assemble recently celebrated the launch of a web version for its product. Users are now able to access Assemble from their desktop and laptop computers, in addition to Android and iOS apps that have been in operation since launch. Using Assemble Protocol, consumers can exchange their mileage and loyalty points for e-gift cards, as well as pay for goods and services on the platform. Moreover, users can also convert their points into unified reward points known as ASP, which they can then exchange for ASM tokens. Assemble provides users a single, unified, digital wallet where they can utilize their points before they expire. Assemble Protocol made its debut on the Coinbase Pro Exchange on Wednesday, 20th of October 2021 according to the official disclosure made by Coinbase. Assemble Protocol's token ASM was listed following massive demand from the community on the largest NASDAQ-listed U.S. cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase. The ASM token powers the Assemble platform, which is purported at managing and spending integrated reward and loyalty points. Anticipation had been on the rise among holders ahead of the listing. With a user base of around 750,000, the project was primed for a big listing. ASM has also listed on Gate.io and Bithumb Korea, both highly reputable exchanges in the crypto industry. Listing on the Coinbase Pro proves how much faith the market has in the token and has sparked massive adoption since its inception. It should also be noted that Coinbase.com has listed the ASM token on its major platform the day after the ASM-USD and ASM-USDT pairs were enabled on Coinbase Pro. The announcement came on Wednesday and confirmed that users can now transfer ASM tokens into their accounts for trading on Coinbase Pro. Coinbase will provide support for ASM in supported jurisdictions. The post read: ASM tokens can be traded on the exchange using the ASM-USD and the ASM-USDT trading pairs. Given the influx of trading volume following the listing, ASM's price surged. The first 24 hours following the listing saw the price of the digital asset gain over 200%. This sent the price of the asset towards 5-month highs. Listing on Coinbase Pro put an end to the long-suffering months that had followed its high in April. Transaction volume also grew ahead of the listing. Assemble Protocol reported that it had seen a 26,000% jump in transaction volume, which is attributed to anticipation of the Coinbase listing. Assemble Protocol has made another stride in its efforts towards accommodating the growing adoption of its platform. The project launched a desktop version of the South Korean mileage integration protocol. Previously, users could only access the platform through Android and iOS applications. However, with the completion of the web version, Assemble Protocol broadens the avenues through which consumers can access its services. Innovations like these have become important given the rate of adoption of the protocol. The Coinbase Pro and Coinbase.com listing triggered a huge influx of trading volume of both centralized and decentralized exchanges, which peaked at $500 million. Assemble Protocol is a mileage integration protocol built on the Ethereum blockchain. The project utilizes the power of the blockchain to provide consumers with a platform where they can aggregate, manage, and spend mileage and reward points. The unified wallet is connected to leading firms to convert loyalty points into a unified reward point ASP, which users can then convert to ASM tokens. The idea behind Assemble Protocol is not a novel one. Other projects have offered the same services. However, A defining factor has been the success rate of Assemble protocol. Consumers can spend or convert their loyalty reward points right from inside the platform. 2021 has been especially important for the project with multiple listings on major exchanges and a database of approximately 750,000 users. Massive adoption is expected in the days and weeks following the Coinbase Pro listing. Walmart, NYSE, WMT, has partnered with coin cashing machine company Coinstar and crypto cash exchange Coin to install 200 Bitcoin, BTC, ATMs in its stores across the United States. Although the pilot includes only 200 kiosks, the broader launch plans to eventually see the installation of 8,000 Bitcoin ATMs across the country, according to Bloomberg. There have been no further details on timelines as of yet. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Open-source blockchain analytics firm Moonstream published a report, which found that around 17% of addresses control more than 80% of all non-fungible tokens, NFTs, on Ethereum. The report was published on October 21 and the analysis was conducted on more than 7 million NFT transactions on the Ethereum blockchain between April 1 and September 25, 2021. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. The proposal was filed with the Texas Secretary of State, which sought to address and clarify the reporting requirements of political contributions made with cryptocurrencies. According to the filing, if approved, cryptocurrency donations and contributions will need to be reported as in-kind contributions or as investments, not currency. According to the Commission, this move mirrors the way the Federal Election Commission, FEC, Internal Revenue Service, IRS, and Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, treat cryptocurrency contributions. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.